Hello, YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. Let's go. So today we're talking about the Algorand, the integration for Algorand, Algorand and Zebec. And I was looking at some information, and it doesn't appear that Zebec has been, or Algorand made the announcement. It looks like Zebec made the announcement. So we'll get to that in a second and see. What up, Silver Days? Smart the likes and subscribe for the show. Thank you, sir. Zebec, baby, let's go. Zebec, what up? Yazid, what up? Tony T, what's going on, fam? Welcome, Zebecians. Welcome back to the ship. Welcome back to the mother boat, or the main ship, or the Armada. Right. This is the Zebec Armada. Let's go. It's fire time to launch. And you're right. Let's look at the price real quick. Let me turn on the screen share. So this is what we got currently. Zebec is up 10%. 10.6% on the day, at 0.7 on the hour, up 29.6 on the week, 25.5 for the month, and 182 on the year. So we are back, baby. This is something I just saw, Stronghold, which they're talking about. It is up 37 on the day, 60.2 on the week, 74% on the month, and 291. I might look into that to see. Farcoin's up 5.4. POW is up 12.6. What is HUR? What is that? What is that, Yazin? Is that a crypto? Let's see, HU. How are you, maybe? I guess. I don't know. Doing pretty good. Oh yeah, definitely. Pretty good. How you doing? I know you guys are riding high with the price up. I know I am, bro. I'm sleeping. Things are good. As long as that price keeps pumping, we are all the way live. Metals up 2.2. XPX 6900s up 5%. Putty Penguins up 17.3. White is up 16.3. Solana, which is the big catalyst here, is up 3%. Bitcoin is up 2.3 again today. Tons up 3, Mudan's up 1.3, GigaChad's up 1.7, Aleo is up 39.8, Quant's up 6.3, Bonk is up 6, Zebec's actually up 11.1, Peanuts up 2.3, Caspa is up again today, 11.2 cents, Chrono's 12.4, DAG is 2.7, XPR is 1.5, XCN is 0.8% up, Nexo is 1.3, AIZ16 is 1.4, Mr. Miggles is down 8.5, CFX is down 25.2, Spectra is down 8.2. Let me see. I guess that's all for the bubbles. Currently, Zebec is at the 0042. 24-hour trading volume is 56.2 million. We're up 1.31 for the hour, 11.28 for the day. 29.29. That's weird. 29.29 for the week, 27.6 for the month, 360.7 for 90 days. Let's go. But a hand clap in the chat for 375% in the last 90 days. We survived the futters. We survived the disrespect. We've survived the uh, pullback, and we are back on the road again. We survived the influencers when all that mess, and we are still back. I'm great. I know you're great, bro. Here, what up, Al? Hey, Pat, let's go. Jerry the Turtle, JV, pump it. Maybe later. 2.5 million Zebec. I will buy a Toyota Yaris GR at the end of the year. Okay. Definitely have a play in there, bro. Quarter crawler. Yazim. Yazim, what up? Silver Days. Silver Days, what's going on, player? Let me see here. So I want to check the holders real quick. And you can see lately, right? We've been pumping, right? We were at four. Did we hit a 450 market cap? It's interesting. But you can see green here, right? We're up to 75,792. I suspect we're gonna hit 76,000 soon. Maybe 77,000 before the end of July. So we're at 75,820. We're gonna flip 76,000 by Friday. Probably 77,000 by the end of July. So let me know what you guys think about that. Wow. So 30 days, we're finally back green. Let's freaking go. Let's go. 54 for the 4 hours, 209 for 12, 463 for the day, 776 for 3 days, 879 for a week, 1,839 for 14 days, and 21 for 30 days. We are back in the green, guys. We're back finally. Pump it. Let me see here. Well, currently, CoinMarketCap has 12.6%, 002, 0042. CoinMarketCap is 378.9, 11.6. 24-hour trading volume is 52.4, up 19.5%. So let's see here. I guess we'll go to Twitter real quick. And if you haven't seen this video, they finally released a video. This is actually a pretty cool video. There's looks like we're like some very serious investors. I wish they would show us some of the information. It's nice to see the folks, but I want some actual information other than Cointelegram, right? Are these the actual clients? So I don't know. And also, it would be nice to have some sound. Not 100% sure there's no sound here. Or what was the point of, and where's my invite at? Looks like a pretty good party there, right? Like awesome. Yes, Crypto Clay, rest in peace, the main man, Ozzy Osbourne, the godfather of heavy metal, I guess. The king of heavy metal, the grandfather? I don't know. That is some pretty amazing. That is an amazing view there, actually. Let's see here. If you haven't checked that video, it is on the BTM Crypto News Network. Rest in peace, Ozzy. What is this? Yazi, what up? Crypto Clay, K-Pow. So sad. Rest in peace, Ozzy. Crypto Clay, Tony S. Let's go. So this is
The best
CKJ
challenge is
Crypto.
changing lives. Cash is crashing. Gold is old. The Zebec challenge is changing lives. Cash is
Definitely so, sir.
crashing. Gold.
We ain't even got going yet, but yeah, we are live. So this is Mr. Foresight,
Potato
and he's
chips.
talking about
You for
the
that,
algorithm.
you can't take that payroll card somewhere and swipe it and buy a bag of potato chips. You for that, this is where Zebec is going to play an important part, as they are, they use MasterCard, and wherever MasterCard is accepted, you would be able to, for a Zebec person, if you got a silver card or a carbon card, what you can do, you can take your Algorand that you have, maybe in that payroll wallet, and you can load it onto your Zebec card. And then with that, now you can take that Algorand, you can go somewhere and you can swipe your Zebec payment card and it will convert your Algorand into USDC or something like that, where you can buy a bag of potato chips. So that is the biggest difference between the two. This is why this is this is a very important partnership.
So shout out to Mr. Foresight. Uh Mr. Foresight for that video snippet about Algo. But I'm gonna show you what chat said, which is weird. The partnership runs a lot deep than you think. Runs a lot deep. At the end of the day, all the compliance change will be integrated within the new ecosystem. The sector ZBCN is tackling makes them the pioneer in payroll. Algorand, and Ripple are indirectly connected through their mutual participation in the DREC Alliance, a collaboration initiative focused on shaping the future of decentralized assets recovery. The DREC Alliance includes members such as Algorand Foundation, Ripple, XRPL Labs, Hedera, Cardano, and others, as noted from posts on X July 2025 and May 2024. So this is the algo
But you can't take that payroll card
versus
somewhere.
uh, algo and Zebec review. KCKJ Crypto News Bozilla. Zebec is going to be at ISBOS, probably nothing. I don't know. It might be something, Clay. Constellation DAG is also a member. Okay. Um, this was another news that came straight hot off the press. This could be a strong case for Zebec. For JP Morgan, Gatenos offers chain auditing, documentation auditing, KYC, KYB, and Zebec offers the full in-house on-chain credit application. Proof of assets is another key part of GateKnox. We may be learning about ZBIC and JBCM connection soon. Say what? Let me see here. Just in, JP Morgan considers offering loans backed by crypto, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, potentially starting next year per FT. What is FT? I don't even know what. That's weird. But that's right up my alley. Once the crypto pops, right? We become multimillionaires with Zebec. We can then use the Zebec millions to move on over to crypto renewing. So let me know what you guys think about that. And if you think we'll be able to use our crypto gains to buy a house. Just wishful thinking. Zebec and Algorand unlock safe crypto payments. You can now send Algo using Zebec MasterCard, ZBCN stream salaries, pay instantly, and go from blockchain to real life, no hype, just working infrastructure. Let's play this real quick and see what's
What if
going
your
on
algo
here
could
with.
buy you a sandwich today, not some...
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up.
What if your
Wait a minute.
algo
Hold
could
up.
buy you a sandwich today, not...
Okay, that was wrong button. And I don't even know if you guys can even hear that. Because I think you cannot hear that. And why is the extension gone? Oh no, I erased it. Oh no. Trying to see here if the sound.
Because I heard them first. I said, hold on. I said, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Because then I start to taste them. I said, and then I start to smell them. So it's like the smell like tastes like other. So I knew something was wrong. I knew something special about it. You know,
That's weird. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But let's go with
What if your
go.
algo could buy you a sandwich today, not someday in the future, but right now, in the real world? Zebec Network Coin and Algorand just made that possible. They've teamed up to bridge the gap between digital assets and everyday life. You can now use Algo with a Zebec MasterCard to pay anywhere, just like cash. Here's how it works. Zebec Network, ZBCN, built the rails for crypto payroll and instant payments. And now, Algo runs on those rails. It's like taking water trapped in a bottle and opening the cap, finally letting it flow freely into your daily routine. Imagine this, you get paid in Algo. The payment streams directly into your wallet. You walk into a store, swipe your ZBCN Zebec card, and that same crypto just bought your groceries. No waiting, no conversions, no middlemen. Algorand makes this possible with speed, security, and ISO 20022 compliance, the standard banks and enterprises trust. And Zebec Network, they're the plumbing behind it all. They handle the salaries, the spending, and the systems that make it work. This isn't just about making crypto usable, it's about making it normal. And here's where things get really exciting. When crypto reaches this level of utility, the kind where your digital money pays for dinner, that's not adoption in the future. That's adoption happening now. So the next time someone says crypto isn't real, swipe your Algo card, smile, and let the payment speak for itself. Want more crypto videos? Check out my playlist. Remember, this post is brought to you by the Crypto Chrome. Like, follow, share.
So shout out to Crypto Chrome. I might need to get another extension because for some reason that isn't that loud. But basically he's saying unlock safe payments. You can send Algo using Zebec MasterCard, stream salaries, pay instantly, and go from blockchain to real life, no hype, just working infrastructure. So you see it in the video. If someone says crypto is not real, whip out the Algo Zebec card and show them, right? Now we have real world utilities that we can show people about a Zebec and the Algo or Algorand and how crypto is actually changing how you live and what we do on a day-to-day basis. Trump is about to open up our 401ks to crypto, baby. I'll move half my retirement into whatever fund XRP is in. Let's freaking go, days. Definitely. I'm definitely gonna what's up, Halls Balls? Where you been? What up? What up, BTM fam? What up? Halls Balls and the rest of the Zebekians. Let's go. Shout out to Halls Balls dropping in. It's kind of concerned. You guys went on here yesterday. I didn't know what happened. Thought you guys had took your millions and made a break for it. But ZBCN and Algo, Zebec is plugged into the Algorand ecosystem. Now, Algo holders can spend directly via Zebec card anywhere. MasterCard is accepted. Not a maybe. This is live. Real-time payments, global payroll rails, ISO 20022 compliant, House of Lords level exposure, liquidity rising, volume climbing, momentum building. 1 cent is not a dream, it is the next logic step. We are early, but not for long. You are right there, my friend. I think you can send, I think you should read my comments before you miss out on hundreds of millions or just millions. So this is blue collar crypto. Decentralized Web3 platforms like Ripple, Stellar, and Zebec are positioning to transform the payment space by addressing the limitations of the traditional payment system to combine technologies and finance seamlessly, paving the way for a new era of frictionless global payments. Web3 marks an ongoing systematic transformation enabled through digital finance as an estimated 80% of the global financial leaders are aiming to use crypto for their businesses over the next 3 years or so, and delivering speed to sluggish payment markets is one of the key factors driving adoption in this space. So he's saying decentralized Web3 platforms like Ripper, Stellar, and Zebec. And this is on Forbes.com. Zebec is getting mentioned. So I think that might have something to do with the price as well as the mention of Binance and this Algorand partnership. Zebec Network and Swift, SIBOS, September 29th to August 2nd, 2025 in Frankfurt. Zebec Networks um, exhibition and event sponsor. So Zebec got its face in the place. Still not sold on Zebec at the 004. That's weird. So why would you even post that? But I'm definitely excited they're doing a sponsorship. Latest just broke out of integrating with Algorand. Zebec hit the 0045 as Algorand becomes spendable through via card. Zebec cards now usable anywhere. MasterCards accepted. Market structure flipped bullish after weeks of consolidation. Real world crypto payments scaling fast. So this is Ride or Die with Zebec. So actually, what I wanted to show you guys. So this is Chat GPT, and Chat's hating hard. So I asked Chat, what is the benefits of Zebec and the Algorand partnership? There is currently no partnership between Zebec Network and Algorand. Search through recent announcements, official press releases, and media coverages show no evidence that they are collaborating other than integrating their platforms. What's confirmed for Zebec without Algorand? Multi-chain expansion. Zebec has expanded beyond Solana to support Ethereum, Binance Chain, and Base, Near, and more, building its programmable continuous payment DPN infrastructure across chains. Real-time payment and payroll suites. Services like Zebec's Payroll, Zebec Safe, and Zebec Carbon, MasterCard powered by crypto debit card, and are live in development across multiple regions. Key partnerships. Circle, a member of the Circle Alliance program integrating USDC, has a default stablecoin for payments. MasterCard, Zebec Carbon Card, enables Zero fee crypto, sending Apple Pay and Google Pay support and global merchant acceptance. Open D Science announced a partnership for programmable grant distribution, research debit cards, and milestone linked funding systems with decentralized science ecosystem launching the pilot in Q3 of 2024. So I'm wondering if this Open D Science is Science Card. I'll have to look at that later. Why no Zebec algorithm collaboration appears? Zebec is focused on building real-time payment rails and DeFi infrastructure over the EVM compatible and Solana ecosystems, while Algorand runs its own unique POS architecture with different DeFi tooling. No announcement, developer integration, or cross-chain efforts indicate that Zebec has targeted Algorand as a deployment chain. Would a partnership make sense? If Zebec were to partner with Algorand, potential benefits could include interoperability, cross-chain payroll settlements, and payment rails connecting Solana, EVM Change, and Algorand. Enterprise reach. Algorand is favored by financial institutions and governments, which could expand Zebec's real-world payment use case. I didn't know that it was mainly institutional, financial institutions and governments. Stablecoin adoption. Both islands prioritize USD-backed stablecoins. Collaboration would enhance USDC flow across the Algorand and the Zebec rails. Government compliance. Algorand's strong regulatory emphasis could harmonize with Zebec's compliance stack, especially for institutional clients. But as of July 2025, no such collaboration has been announced or confirmed. Zebec plus Algorand partnership, no announcements are reported collaboration. Zebec key partners Circle, USDC, MasterCard, and Open D Science. Potential synergy if partner if paired. Cross-chain payments, um, enterprise reach, and stable coins. That's weird because all over Twitter they're talking about announcements, but chat says there's no announcements. I don't know what's going on. So this is feeling some Zebec Binance listing action coming on. Do your own research, not financial advice. This is let me see. I'm tripping. Um Crypto Clay and Silver Days, blowing it up as usual. Let's go. Zebec pumping, not tired of winning. Yazim in the house. This is the future family. No, that's right. Uh, Tony S. K-Pac, Ali, Sup Brothers. Algo is partnered with the Bank of Italy as well as members of ISDA, International Swaps and Derivative Association. Ripple also ISDA member. Okay. K-Pac, you from Washington? I know a K-Pac once back in my running and gunning days. Hall's Balls. Binance showing up on Zebec website is very interesting. Definitely. Now, if Zebec would show up on Binance site, that would be totally interesting. ZBCN POS is coming to retail stable coin payments. Currently deployed in select SMBs across the US, especially those already using Zebec payroll stacks. Focus on retail hospitality and service sectors with the expansion planned via Zebec acquisition arm and partnership. Yeah, I would definitely take a picture or be super shocked if I ran into a point of sale that had Zebec on it. And that would be crazy. Although I wouldn't use my Zebec, but that would be crazy just to see it, right? I would love to see it and get a picture of that as well. But let me know as well what you guys loving the momentum. ZBCN up 34% in the last 24 hours. Trying to see what this hash lock is. That's even in our timeline. That's weird. The truth is, most companies don't want to become fintech engineers. They just want to pay people fast, stay compliant, and move money globally without friction. That's where Zebec comes in. It's not just another token, it's a full stack payment infrastructure. Streaming payroll, programmable distributions, treasury tools, tax modules, and multi sig wallets, cross chain and fiat ready, compliance forward plus Genius Act aligned. Legacy systems are aging. Zebec is the upgrade. Plug in, scale fast, pay smarter. Pay smarter. That should be the hashtag. Zebec has proven their partnership listing to be legit. I think it's going to happen soon. Zebec, baby, let's go. This is another announcement about the exhibitor and event sponsorship. Zebec will be at Sabo's, led by Swift. That's interesting. Zebec about to touch down at Sabo's, not in the crowd, not on the sideline, exhibiting front and center next to Circle at Swift's own conference. Yes, that's Swift, Swift Community. It isn't just a presence, it's a statement. Zebec doesn't attend to network, we attend to dominate. Now it's standing shoulder to shoulder with TradFi giants in the heart of the global finance. Zebec isn't begging for validation, it's taking over territory. This isn't just retail hype. This is a war, and you brought tweets to a missile fight. Huh? It's weird. Using Zebec tech actually rewards the employer that is using the payroll. Really? I did see something about you get some kind of reward or some kind of reward program, which would definitely boost adoption, guys. Keep that in mind as well. This is mostly XPR. Thought there was another ZBEC in here somewhere. Much will be speculated, but much will be proven. Hold your own conviction. We believe in the stablecoin payroll, green in the sea of red. So that was, I guess this morning it was up 9%, while XRP was down. XD, the XDC was down. Stellar was down. Hedera was down. Ethereum was down. And Cardano was down. This is from this morning. Zebec, ZBCN surges 9.3% in 24 hours, topping coin market cap's trending list this morning. at 9.3, up 59 million in trading volume. And this is the coin of the day from Phoenix Group. I'm not 100% sure. It's ranked number 1, market cap 359, all-time high 5 cents, engaged post 4,000, price at the 004, chain 17,000, week 23,000. But that was interesting because somebody said they don't see it very interesting at the 004, but that's weird, right? Why would you not get it now if it keeps going up? Pretty soon it's going to be at a buyable level, but you could have bought it at the 004. Why wait to 1 cent or 5 cents and you could have got it now and wrote it up? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure what people are thinking, but it seems to me like you would get it now and write it up versus waiting for it to go up. I don't know. Quick look at the bubbles. Let's refresh the holder count real quick. While we're waiting, we're still at the 0043. Checking the here's this the holder count 75,834. So this is the Zebec chart. 5-minute chart is looking bullish at the 00432. RSI is 63.6. RSI base moving average is 60.8. And why is this so zoomed all the way out? What am I doing here? Let me see. RSI base moving average is 60. Currently we're building volume on the 5-minute. The MAC at 340326. And there is green candles on or volume building on the 5-minute. On the 15-minute, we're also building volume. The MACD is separate. RSI is 63.8. RSI base moving average is 57.6. As long as we're above 60, we are all the way live. Looks like there's a couple of green candles at the 0043 on the 15-minute. On the 45-minute, couple green candles. RSI base moving average is 58.1. RSI is 63.7. And still a couple of green candles on the 45-minute. We'll click down to the 4-hour. 2 green candles on the 4-hour and volume building like, wait, it can't be right. Okay, volume going up like crazy. RSI on the 4-hour chart is at 71.1, which I guess is oversold territory. What is this? Currently RSI based moving average is 56.5. So we're in a good place there. Marcos, what's going on with you, fam? Zebec is going to skyrocket. What up? Jago Gaming? What's going on, player? I guess we'll go to what is this? When I was about to launch yesterday. Go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap has Zebec at the 0043 up 8.93%. Market cap is 384.3 million. Market cap up 8.9%. 24-hour trading volume is up 19%. 52.6 million. Let's see what the AI says about the price being up. This is saying Zebec Network price rose 8.9% in 24 hours due to the Algorand integration news and bullish technical momentum. Algorand partnership enables algo token spending via Zebec card. That's weird. Why does chat say it ain't no, I'm just stuck on that in my head. Why chat saying it ain't no partnership, but everybody else is saying it's a partnership. Market structure, or market structure shift confirmed the breakout from the 0031 to the 0038 range. And if we stay above the 004, I suspect another breakout is coming. Strong ecosystem metrics 52M card transaction volume, plus 7 MOM. I'm not sure what MOM is. Primary catalyst, algo integration. Zebec announced on July 22nd that algo tokens can be sent globally via Zebec card. MasterCard compatibility positions Zebec as the bridge between crypto and traditional payment rails. Zebec HQ. This aligns with Algo's ISO 20022 compliance, a key standard for institutional crypto adoption. The news coincides with the Zebec breaking its 3-week consolidation range, hitting the 0045 intraday high. Finally, we're breaking out of the 3-week consolidation past the 004. And I mentioned that a couple days ago. If it breaks the 004 and can hold above, we will see some rallying and see a pretty good push. So I guess we're able to do that. Supporting factors, ecosystem growth, card adoption, 11,900 Zebec cards issued across 97 countries with 52 million and 4-week transaction volume. That's also why they had to get SOX 2 compliant. Starting to make a little money through the cards, you got to get compliant, right? So you can be opened up for more card equity or cards being used more. Zebec leadership presented at UK House of Lords on July 10th. And we told you back in July 10th, just hold on, guys. Just be patient. With everything they're doing, the price will pump. You just have to be patient. Don't wig out and sell. I know those people that sold really low are really looking funny now. All those guys that dumped it on the way down. And we told you buy, 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 buy. And we'll see who gets the last laugh. Let me see where we at. Addressing blockchain compliance, which likely bolstered institutional confidence. Crypto news. Buyback program. Zebec repurchased 14.6 million Zebec, 60K in May, reducing sell pressure. Technical context. RSI 7-day 73.8 overbought. We're at the overbought category. Okay. Signals short-term overheating, but confirming strong demand. MACD bullish crossover with the histogram at the 409, indicating accelerated upward momentum. Key levels, immediate resistance at the 0045, July 22nd, high, support at the 0035, recent flip from resistance. In conclusion, Zebec's price surge reflects strategic integrations, regulatory outreach, and technical momentum. However, overbought RSI and heavy volatility, 24-hour range at the 00351 and the 0044 suggests potential consolidation will sustain card adoption, offset profit taking pressure near the 0045. So let me know what you guys think. You think the price is going to slow down because of selling pressure and what do you say? Selling pressure and adoptions, hard adoption. Currently we're still at the 0042. As long as we can stay above the 004, we should see an additional leg up. Let me know what you guys think. Just sat down to lunch with my ladies. Zebec Rippin took the day off. I know that's right. I think Zebec will hit the 00 or 1 cent around August. I think so too, but that's a heck of a push from the 004. What is this? The 00, the 004 all the way up to 1 cent. Let's just look to see how far up the 1 cent is from here. Just for grins. Here, I think. Yeah. So that's a nice little hop. If we can get this, where are we at? Is this the 00? This is 1 cent. Let's see here. I think there's a measuring tool. This is the measuring tool. We measure this? Um, I think we should go the other way. Actually, let me see here from here. No, what is this? This is not a freaking. I'm tripping. So that would be. Am I looking? Am I doing? Am I even doing this right? Let me see. Oh no, it's like 550%. I think. Trying to figure out this freaking measuring tool. Let me see here. Here. Oh, yeah, I just need one bar actually. 130% up. Is that about right? 127%. Not even all the way up though. Dang it! This measuring tool. Let me see. It is maybe 130% up to 1 cent, but that is some weird math. Do your own research. Don't count on my word. 100% up from the 002 to 1 cent. Let me see. Clay, we're about to retire all the days. I hope so. Silver dollar or silver days. I don't know why I would say dollar. Silver days. I hope so. Pump phases can keep RSI in overbought status for days or even weeks. Fish Guru, that would be awesome. Uh, ZBIC's new bottom will be the 0038 to the 004. You can also have 4-hour RSI resetting lower with each consecutive higher push to put in a parabolic move. I would love that, right? Fish Guru, make it happen, brother. If that's what you're saying, it can happen. Make it happen, my guy. Shout out to everyone that joined. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and possibly super chat. Holders getting closer to 76,000. So that was this morning. We're at 75,651, and currently we are at 75,834. So roughly 200 holders, give or take. Yeah, 200 some change maybe. Is that more than 83? 80? Yeah, 87. 807 something. I think it's not. So I think that is less than, yeah. So less than 200, somewhere in there. Currently, Zebec is at the 9.7. Let's check the Zebec News channel. See if there's any other developing updates. So Zebec updates, price to 0020, up 11%, 24 hours, 27 7 days. Volume approximately 50 mil. Still 40% off of all-time high at the 007, but strong retracement underway. Models project potential pullback to the 003 before the next leg. Buyback of 14.6 million ZBIC shows team's confidence. Ecosystem hot. Payroll, Zebec card expansion, Algorand integration. Wallet count jumped from 37K to 60K. Circle chain link partnership and play. Really? Short term dip or chop near the 003. Upcoming spaces on compliance and roadmap key catalyst. Midterm breakout towards the 0052 if roadmap and presses. What's your strategy? Dipping in early or watching for the roadmap? Check this out. Team Zebec Network just posted, we need to show the power of the community. Zebec keeps telling everyone you should know. What is this? Yeah, I think we're going to share this video, big dog. Bag, Zebec, or pick yourself. Yeah, we earlier, my guy was there. This is the same video. I'm talking to Gronk. B. Let's see what Gronk says. Well, Gronk, show me. Won't happen until November, December, but Zebec about to take a big jump with BTC and then settle back to support on current consolidations until parabolic phase. Okay, we can buy that. Fish Guru. Can Bronx actually enter? Anyway, can you get a hypothetical scenario with 3 words alone? Also, potential value of the best case scenario you can create. 3 words are Ripple, Zebec, and CODIS. What is CODIS? What is CODIS? Snaps. I lose the. Okay, I didn't lose that. Let's see what CODIS is. Open source hosting platform for smart programs. Okay. Smart contracts made from containers and how's relative to Zebec and bit of a side pocket rabbit hole here. What is CODIS? Open source smart contract platform designed to enable the creation and execution of decentralized apps, apps with smart contracts. It was initially developed by Ripple, the company behind XRP Ledger, with the goal of expanding the functionality of blockchain technology beyond simple payments. Key features of CODIS smart contracts. CODIS allows developers to write and deploy smart contracts in various programming languages such as JavaScript. Interoperability is designed to work with multiple blockchains, including XRP Ledger, enabling cross-chain functionality. Decentralized hosting. Codis uses a decentralized network to run smart contracts, ensuring resilience and scalability. Flexible payment smart contracts on Codis can interact with multiple payment systems, including XRP and other crypto. So let's come out of the rabbit hole real quick and get back to the main hole. What to watch? DYX bullish weekly bullish divergence invalidated and looking for a break of formal low for confirmed breakdown dollar to 87. XRP, what up? Silver day. So in 2026, Ripple, a leader in blockchain, based global payments, partnered with Zebec Network, a real-time programmable payment protocol to integrate CODIS, Ripple, dormant smart contract platform into a unified financial ecosystem. Ripple reverts CODIS to enable smart contracts functionality on the XRP ledger, leveraging Zebec's extensive expertise in DeFi native payroll and streaming payments. The collaboration creates a streamless platform where XRP powered institutional cross border transactions. Zebec facilitates real time microtransactions and treasury management, and CODIS enables interoperable smart contracts across the blockchain. This partnership captures 10% of the $10 trillion daily global derivative market by streaming settlement processings, boosting demand for XRP and ZBCN, which is Zebec token. Regulatory clarity for favorable SEC and Ripple ruling and mass adoption by financial institutions drive exponential growth. Best case potential value. XRP with increased adoption, XRP could surge to $50 by 2030, assuming a market cap of 2.5 trillion, 50 billion circulating supply, driven by its role in global payments and derivatives settlements. This is really what we're looking for. ZBCN, which is a Zebec token, currently under 1 cent, could reach $5, reflecting market cap of 500 billion, 100 billion in circulating supply, fueled by the integration with Ripple and the expansion of the DeFi payroll. CODIS, a non-tokenized platform, CODIS adds indirect value by enhancing XRPL's utility, potentially increasing XRP's price by 20 to 30% through smart contracts adoption. Note, these projections are speculative and assume optimist market conditions, regulatory clarity, and widespread adoption. Investors could conduct their own research due to inherent volatility. It's actually cool. I might have to start messing with Gronk for real. Speaking of investment choices, is Zebec turning out to be as special as you thought? And that would be a heck to the yes. Yes. More, please, sir. Can I have some more, please, sir? Seems to be a bit dodgy, but I want more. Give me more, sir, please. Just a little bit, just a little piece. Um, Turning out to be special as you thought. Safe bets are actually risky bets to me. Safe consensus. Obviously not a big stretch. Consensus will be by the big companies before the startup is able to build its market. There is an era when everyone loves traditional brokers. That was safe investors. So I invested in Robinhood app when no U.S. car maker had succeeded in 50 years. I invested in Tesla. Self-driving cars are unthinkable. I invested in Cruise, acquired by GM. When traditional media was still the norm, I invested in Twitch. And of course, when the US dollar is the pinnacle of stability, I went all in on Bitcoin. If anyone agrees with your investment choices, you're already too late. That was actually pretty interesting. And he might be onto something there. You want to be out ahead of the curve, guys. You want to be the market maker. You want to be the blazing the new path. Been looking into Zebec, so busy working. I let time fly. I'm getting on board ASAP. Not financial advice, William Mack, but get you some as soon as you can, brother. Join the revolution. Be part of the Zebecians. I heard a rumor of Zebec with a new partnership, Poly, gone 6 hours ago. Alan, we're going to look up that actually. Anyone tired of using decent wallets? I did. I got annoyed because my card wasn't reading my card and password. I was freaking out. I was able to figure it out, moved all my money off of it into a trust wallet of using a decent wallet, using decent wallet. Decent? I'm not sure. No. Yeah, I got trust wallet as well. I got a lot of wallets actually, but definitely move it around till you find something that works for you. Alan, yes, I have yet to hear anyone talking about it. So there is something going on. I have a decent, but with the biometrics. What is this decent wallet? I'm freaking out. I have 5 figures in it. Thank God I got them out. Let me see. What is this decent wallet first off? And then we'll check into this. Well, actually, it's a wallet. Let's take a good old tangent and Uphold and a couple of other wallets. So decent is part of crypto.com. Oh, this decent. What is it? What is decent? Wow, everybody should flock to decent, give them a price boom, and when they research, they're like, "Dang, this guy's talking about it. We should give him." Oh wow, oh wow, what the freak? Unmatched security, perfect with fingerprint technology. What the spiznit? So there's no password, just your fingerprint. Wait a minute, what happened? What the? Oh, see how much? 135 isn't bad actually. 4,500 cryptos. Crypto with the single touch biometric, instant transaction approval with fingertips, no password required. Okay. Secure your private keys against unauthorized access. Okay. Forget about remembering passwords, eliminating concerns. Also, crypto cutting edge. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Blue tap connection. I need to bring this up at our next meeting. Phantom wallet for Zebec. Yo, 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 what up, Chad? Mine works perfectly. Been having it for over really with the fingerprint reader. Card wallet is face recognition and bio is fingerprint. Okay, I'll probably go with the fingerprint option. Can you get? Let's see. I got my Z-Back with Uphold, but we will see. Yes, sir. It is on Phantom. It's on Phantom, Trust, Solo Flare, Backpack, Phantom, and Jupiter Mobile. So you can get it at any of these. Yazim, you got that chart you showed us. Yeah, what's this chart you showed us? What are we talking about? Yeah, see it, please. What is this chart you're talking about? What are we talking about here? Let me see. Oh yeah. Let me see. Where is this? That's Gronk. That's a post. Oh yeah, super chat. So you're saying it's about the percentage of people who own Zebec. Oh really? Where you get this chart at? And please share. I definitely want to check that out. Let me see. What did you say? You said DeFi right in here somewhere. Rumors about Zebec and Polygon. I suspect that is. You suspect that's Polygon? It's talking about the Zebec rich chart. Anyone's planning to sell their coins off Coinbase. If you have 20G worth, expect to pay $500 fee. That's why I moved a huge amount. Okay. Yeah, the rich chart. What is this rich chart? I can't believe people don't know XRP would do what it's doing. It was adopted chain for the WF plan of global digital economy. It's evil, but it will pump harder. You posted it before. Okay, I'll go back and check. Um, you're getting feedback on a new version of ChatGPT. Which response would you prefer? Oh, great. Which is the newest response? Fool, what you mean? Which one would I prefer? Newer version of ChatGPT. Which response would you prefer? I actually like the old one better. So this is ZBIC cards at Polygon USD support. ZBIC recently announced there's a multi-chain prepaid crypto card that now supports Polygon USD, enabling users to spend USDC on Polygon seamlessly via MasterCard whenever they're accepted. Brings Polygon native assets into the ZBEC ecosystem, enables real-time USD users on Polygon, expanding adoption and usability. Polygon integration impact ZBCN price surge. According to Bankless Times, ZBIC's integration with Algo and Polygon has contributed positively to the ZBIC price performance, prompting a notable rally. Add ZBIC, wait, add Polygon support to ZBIC's payroll and suite, bolstering ecosystem growth and market confidence for ZBIC. A ZBIC YouTuber AMA revealed plans to expand partnerships across Polygon and Solana ecosystems, confirming that Polygon integration is a strategic priority for their roadmap. Why is nobody talking about this? Large spending Polygon plus USDT enabled via Zebec card, payroll, and payments coming soon, adding Polygon support to the payroll pipelines. Ecosystem growth, ZBCN price and adoption bolstered by Polygon's integration. Strategic partnerships, ongoing expansion in Polygon and Solana. Yes, ZBIC has begun integration with USDT support of the Polygon card payroll integration. Okay, it happened. Dang it! I moved the wrong. No. Wait. The expansion makes Polygon assets more accessible and spendable in the Zebec ecosystem, which could further drive ZBCN utility and adoption. Want to stay on top of it? Follow the Zebec X page. So why is this not on the X page? I asked you, my friends. Let's see if it's on the Polygon page. Or actually, let's see Polygon. Okay, let's cut straight to the chase. Yeah, I don't see anything for July with the Polygon. That's weird. Why is nobody talking about it? Well, that should already happen. I do see something talking about it. Zebec card now supports 12 chains, most of any crypto card provider. We're excited to announce Polygon USDC. I did see this a couple of weeks ago. Polygon and Zebec. Actually, I think I did a video on that. Actually, that's weird. Just formed a partnership. Yeah, back in May. So maybe that's why nobody's talking about it, because it has been around for a little minute. Let me see. Other ISO 20022 compliant tokens that are about to do what XRP, XLM, and HBAR are doing. Cardano, XDC, Quant, and Algo. Thanks. Have to start work. Clients is coming up. No worries. I guess we're about to shut it down anyway, because I went through all the information I have. So thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. Thanks for all that you do, and thank you for supporting me, BTM and the BTM Crypto News Network. I'll let you guys get back to it. We might do another video later this evening, but I need to take a quick nap. Got some things to do this evening. But as always, let's get back to the money and stay dangerous. Thanks for joining. And it's okay to be different or weird. Maybe it's not you that's different or weird. Maybe it's everyone else. But on that note, it's your main man, BTM, signing out on this Tuesday, July 22nd. Getting ready for that major announcement on July 31st. I'm still trying to figure out what that'll be. But as always, peace and hair grease. And see you when I see you. Same bat channel, same bat time. Catch you guys tomorrow. Minor.